Ayan guys. Melanie Calison Tarubago is watching. Hi po, good evening po. Wait lang po tayo ng konti. Ayan, nabasa. Wait lang po tayo ng konti. Wait lang guys ha. Wala nang sound dyan. Tanggalat mo yung sound.
Wala na, yan. Yan. I-laser ko na yun.
Wait lang tayo ng konti guys. Ayan. Sassy is watching. Hi ate.
Sassy. Nabanggit mo.
Wait lang. Patanggal ang mga sounds ha.
Ayan, okay.
Pa-share po ng live guys. Wait lang guys ha. Nakashare na kayong lahat? Okay na? Pasensya na kayo guys ha, nagbago na ng oras ang ating pagla-live. Kasi po, yung iba gusto late hours kasi pag maaga pa daw, mga busy pa ang mga nanay. Kaya medyo inatras po natin ang konti. Ayan. Okay. Let's start. Get into my car. Yes, you. Get into my car. Oh. Who's them ladies coming down the road? Who's them lady? Who's that woman walking through my door? What's the score? I'll be the sun, shine on you. Hey, Cinderella, step in your shoes. I'll be your love, some love. Get what you can. You're not some miracle. I'm your man. Get out of my dreams. Get into my car. Get out of my dreams. Get into my car. Get out of my mind. Get into my life. Oh, I said, hey, you. Get into my car. Lady driver, let me take your wheel. Smooth operator, touch my bumper. Let's make a deal, make it real. Like a road runner, came after you, just like a hero. Get out of my dreams. Get into my car. Get out of my mind. Get into my life. Oh, I said, hey, you. Get into my car. Oh, baby. I'll be the sun, shine on you. Hey, Cinderella, step in your shoes. I'll be your love, song love. Tell you what it gets, your love, song miracle. I'm your man. Get out of my dreams. Get into my heart. Get out of my dreams. Get into my heart. Get out of my mind. Get into my life. Oh, I said, hey, you. Get into my head. You. Get into my head. You. Get into my heart. Oh, baby. Thank you so much, guys. Woo. Good evening, everyone. Salamat po sa mga nanonood ngayon. Eto na naman po tayo Saturday. Pasensya na kayo, guys. Nagpalit kami ng times. Kasi po maraming nagsasabi na medyo atras daw ang oras. Kasi medyo busy pa daw yung iba pag 8 o'clock. So, ginawa po namin 9:30 ba? 9:30. So, mag-start tayo ng 9:30 ngayon. Ayan. Wait lang, guys, ha? Babatiin lang tayo ng ating pa-shoutout. Ayan. Marita Rodriguez is watching. Andy Andes, Josh Andes, Nikki Olimpiada, Lilibet Orihola, and Yoli de los Reyes, Felisa Rivera, Adi Trevino. Good evening, everyone, and thank you po. And belated happy birthday pala kay Nikki. Ayan. Ang layo mo naman, mother. Para naman akong may mag-define niya. Sa aking pinsan, ang aking tita. Ayan. Si Tita Nikki. Ayan. Nikki Olimpiada. Belated happy birthday. Ayan. Happy birthday kay Rio Amaris Mendoza Cervantes, anak ni Rosette. Ayan. Happy birthday. And happy birthday din kay Nanay Oring in Heaven pala. Ang mother ko ng aking mother. Ayan, ang lola ko. We miss you so much, Lola. And shout out sa mga taga-Mabiga, sa Lola Mitang ko, sa lahat ng Olimpiada family. Ayan, good evening po sa inyong lahat. At sa mga, ano yan, muli? Muli. Sorry. At sa mga Muli family at, ano yan? Manta family. Ayan, kamusta po sa inyong lahat? From Sister Mel. Ayan, thank you so much, guys. Siya nga po pala, nung last September 18, hindi ko na po siya nasabi sa inyo ng last live ko na death anniversary ng Daddy Tarzan ko noong September 18. Dapat gagawa kami ng live. Kaso alam niyo naman, syempre pag memory, baka hindi makakanta ng makakanta ang lola niyo. Umiyak na lang ng umiyak. Ayan. Wait lang guys. Pasensya na rin kayo sa mga nadidinig nyo guys ha, kasi ang bahay namin malapit lang sa daan. Kaya dinig na dinig po ang tricycle, yung mga nagdadaan na mga sasakyan. Kaya pasensya na kayo guys. Ibali malakas naman ang boses ko. Ayan. Sana guys magustuhan niyo yung mga songs ko ngayong gabi. Kanina ko lang din po pinulot. Kasi po alam niyo naman, busy ang lola niyo. May inaalagaan pong papi. Ayan. Wait lang guys ha. Hahanapin ko lang po yung kanta. Nakakatuwa naman, nandiyan si Ate Adi ko. Hi Ate Adi, regards to Kuya Mike. Ayan. So guys, para po sa inyo lahat. Ayan.
Tikman
Hindi
daw.
kaya po talaga matatanggal yan, guys. Just another time that set me free. Those thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you. The feeling I never do. Don't you every heart has tried. Only can feel that space inside. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not mending. Just when I thought I was over you, just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you. Oh my, I've tried to let the best away. I've done everything I can to stay, but only you can stop the rain. I just can't live without you. I miss everything about you. Just when I thought I was over you, just when I thought I could stand on my own. Oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without, go on without. It's just no good without. Just when I thought I could stand on my own. mahina yung sound. Di marinig yung background music. Bakit kaya? Wala ba kayo natapakan, guys? Yung ating mga ano. Pasensya na, guys, ha? Alam niyo naman, hindi maiiwasan yan. Tignan natin. Pag-gawin naman na the tricycle. Ayan. Tignan natin. Pasensya na, guys, ha? Sabihin mo lang ate Adi kung nag-change yung sound. Ayan. Okay naman siya.
Lagyan niyo na.
Ayan. Wait lang, guys. Itutusok ko lang.
Baka minsan,
May, pwede sabi ni...
minsan kasi po, depende sa song. May song na mahina.
Sabi niya, wait lang ha.
Di ba minsan?
Okay na, ate. Ayan. Wait lang, guys, ha. May nalampasan ako, eh. Ayan. Jose Marie Pacho is watching. Good evening po. Annie B is watching. Hi, Ate Ann. Kamusta na po? Ayan. Ano lang po. Ayan. Pagka meron kayong nakikita hindi maganda yung pagmahina ang sound, i-chat nyo lang po. Aayusin po yan ang ating mga angels. Ayan. Nicole Bernardino. I miss you too, anak. Ayan.
Pagkanta na lang yan.
Sabi ni Yoli de los Reyes, May, pwede mag-request next week. Pakikanta naman yung song kong Ang Mabait na Bata. Sige po, itatry ko siya next week. Ayan. Favorite ng apo ko, kung kambal. Wow! Good blessing naman, may kambal si May. Kakakaingit naman. Ayan. Sige po, tatry ko po next week. Hanapin ko po talaga yung kanya karaoke. Ayan. And Maria Cecilia Solomon is watching. Hi, batchmate. Watching from Cabanatuan City. Hi! Thank you! Ayan. Wait lang, guys. Wait lang, ha? Ayan. Ngayon naman, guys, kakantayin ko tong next song ko sa mga magpa-friendship. Ano yan? Ka-brother. Ka-brother mo. Ka-brother ni Mami. Hello po, good evening po. Ayan, guys, para pa rin sa inyo lahat. Okay naman siya. Okay siya. So guys, thank you so much, ate.
Subukan ang kape-kape sa aroma ng Nescafe Original.
I can reach the heavens above. I can right what is wrong. I can sing just in a song. I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end. Take you so okay. Walang sounds. It took you so long to see long to me. I can never be sorry. What took you so long to let me know that I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above. I can write what is wrong. I can sing just another song. I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be a good friend. I can love you until the end. You so long to me, so I will know the reason why I'm so lucky I can smile. I didn't know this for a while, that I can live, I can love, I can reach the heavens above. I can write what is wrong, I can sing just any song. I can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be a good friend, I can love you until the end. Can dance, I can fly, and touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be a good friend, I can love, I can love you until the end. Ayan. Guys, pasensya na talaga kayo ha. Okay na ba yung sound natin, guys? Kasi ang mga angels ko po ay natataranta. Ayan. Hi, Tita Celia. Celia Iguchi is watching from Japan. Hi. Ayan. Mirna Bustamante. Ron Christopher Bragais is watching. Hi, Ninang Mirna. Ayan. Thank you so much sa concern nyo sa sound. Lalo na kay Ate Adi. Thank you so much. Eto lang guys. Nakalimutan nilang isaksak sa cellphone yung pinaka-wire ng sound. Masyado po silang excited pagka nagle-live. Alam niyo naman, mga senior ang aking angel. Kaya nakakalimutan. Ayan. Annabel Fontanares is watching. And Natsumi Bragais is watching. Pasensya na kayo sa mga senior ko, guys, ha. Sa susunod, guys, itatali ko na yung cord. Para hindi nila makalimutan. So, guys, wala ba akong nakakalimutan dyan? Ayan. Teka muna, guys, ha, magbabackread ako. Kasi minsan may nagtatampo pag hindi na sa shoutout. Ayan, wala pa naman sa ngayon. Pasensya na kayo, guys. Ayan. So, maganda na yung sound. Thank you so much, guys, sa concern, ha. Ayan. Magbubura lang po ang lola nyo para po hindi po nalilito ang lola nyo kasi baka mamaya mapindot na naman ang lola nyo. Ayan. Wow, thank you so much, Ate Adi. Cute ba siya? Maganda ba yung hair? Sinipag mag-ayos ng hair. Thank you so much. Ayan.
Again guys, para sa inyong lahat.
I could stay awake just to hear you breathing. Watch your smile while you were sleeping, while you're far away dreaming. I could spend my life in the sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with you is a moment I treasure. I don't want to close my eyes, I don't want to fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't want to miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Lying close to you, feeling your heart beating, and I'm wondering what you're dreaming, wondering if it's me you're seeing. Then I kissed your eyes, and thank God we're together. I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever, forever and ever. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. I don't wanna miss one smile, I don't wanna miss one kiss. I just wanna be with you, right here with you, just like this. I just wanna hold you close, feel your heart so close to mine, and just stay here in this moment for all the rest of time. Baby, baby, I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Guess I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing. I still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing.
Thank you guys. Patayin ko lang sandali. Ayan. May nagre-request po, beautiful girl. Kaninong beautiful girl? Alam ko kay ano yan eh, Jose Marichan, no? Kantahin ko po siya next week na lang. Kasi hindi ko ganong kabisado yan eh. At saka, panlalaki yan. Hanapin natin yung female key. Ayan, hanapin ko muna yung female key niya. Ano yan? Okay. Sandali lang guys. Okay, air supply daw. Kanta ba ng air supply yan? Beautiful girl? Oo. Sa next week natin yan, yung kanta ko nung bata ako. Ano kaya yan? Wait lang guys. Diba? Ayan, sabi niya air supply. Or, sino kumanda nung beautiful girl? Air supply ba? Kasi alam ko yan is Jose Marichan. Ngayon yung air supply, Annabelle, ayan. Okay guys, sige, anuhin muna natin. Ayan, ayaw bumalik. Ayan. Wait lang. Wait lang.
For the right word to say, searching but not finding understanding anyway. We're lost in this masquerade, both afraid to say we're just too far away from being close together from the start. We tried to talk it over, but the words get in the way. We're lost inside this lonely game we play. Thoughts of living disappear each time I see you. And no matter how hard I try to understand the reason why we carry on this way, we're lost in this masquerade. it over, but the world get in the way. Well, love inside is the only game we play. Thoughts of living disappear each time I see you. And no matter how hard I try to understand the reason why we carry on this way, we're lost in this masquerade. We're lost in a Ayan. Noel Crisostomo is watching. Good evening. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Wait lang, guys. Sabi ni Annabelle, sabi niya kantahin ko nga daw yung Ang Mabait na Bata. May nag-request kasi kanina din, kantahin ko nga raw. Makakanta ko po siya next week kasi hindi ko pa po nakikita yung karaoke niya. Pero for sure, kantahin natin siya next week. Ayan. And birthday greetings muna po ako. Thank you so much, Annabelle. Belated happy birthday to Elena Cuerdo, Ruth Sarco, Rosemary, Clierdo, okay, Yuki Guday, from Marikina, ayan, Nats Balubar, from Taguig, Lailani de Jesus Aguilar, pinsan ko to, di ba? Si Lai? Nagulat ako. Ayan. Belated happy birthday po sa inyong lahat. And, ang may birthday naman po ngayon, ayan, Romano Alvarado, Magnolia Savas, sa Love of My Life ni Tito Charlie Fry, at sa lahat ng may birthday po, happy birthday! Ayan. Wait lang, guys. Ayan. Sabi ni ate, ano to, team song mo, Ate Adi? This time I'll be sweeter. Like a sugar. Try natin. Ayan. Wait lang, Ate Adi, ha? Wait lang. Kakanta lang tayo ng Tagalog. Kasi yung iba, ayan, ayaw matanggal. Ayan. Kakanta muna po ako ng Tagalog, guys. Kasi yung iba gusto Tagalog. Ayan. Again, guys, para sa inyong lahat. Sa mga umaayaw sa pag-ibig. Sa mga umaayaw sa pag-ibig. Kahit ikaw ay magaling, sa'yo lang lalapit, sa'yo lang maawi. Kahit na ikaw ay nagbago na, ibigin
mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, ayusin natin to. Daling sabihin, ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo ba? Lapit ng lapit, ako'y lalapit, layo ng layo. Ba't ka lumalayo? Labo ng labo, ika'y malabo. Malabo, tayo malabo. Bumalik at muli ka rin aalis. Tatakbo ka ng mabilis, iyayakapin ng mahigpit. Ang hirap pa, di mo alam ang iyong pupuntahan. Kung ako ba ay pagbibigyan o nalilito lang kung saan. Tatakbo, tatalon, sisigaw ang pangalan mo. Iisipin na lang panaginip lahat ng ito. O bakit ba kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap lang na huwag ka nang lumihis. Tayo mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, ayusin natin to. Daling sabihin, ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo pa. Lapit ng lapit, ako'y lalapit, layo ng layo. Ba't ka lumalayo? Labo ng labo, ika'y malabo. Malabo, tayo'y malabo. Lapit ng lapit, ako'y lalapit, layo ng layo. Ba't ka lumalayo? Labo ng labo, ika'y malabo. Malabo, o bakit ba kailangan pang umalis? Pakiusap lang na huwag ka nang lumihis. Tayo mag-usap, teka lang, ika'y huminto. Huwag mo kong iwan, ayusin natin to. Daling sabihin, ayaw mo na, pero pinag-isipan mo pa. Kahit ikaw ay magaling, sa'yo lang lalapit. Kahit di ka na sa'kin. Oh, diba? Sa mga umaayaw po yan sa pag-ibig. Ayan. Meron dito nagsabi, bahala siya. Oh. Ayan, mga sagot. Ayan, guys. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung Tagalog. Ayan, shoutout ulit tayo, guys. Ayan. Sa mga taga-Ubando, Bulacan, kina Kapitan Ruben Serrano ng Katanghalan, Ubando, Bulacan, Kapitan Randy Miranda ng Barangay Pag-asa, Ubando, Bulacan, at sa mga taga-Pitong Gatang at sa lahat po ng mga taga-Ubando, Bulacan. Good evening, everyone. And to all members of All for God Worship Center ng Naparing Dinalupihan, Bataan from Sister Mel. At sa lahat po ng mga taga-Dinalupihan, Bataan, lalong-lalo na po dun sa mga lolo ko, lola ko, mga pinsan ko, lahat po ng family namin dyan. Good evening, everyone. And hello at good evening din po kay Kapitana Telma at Dong Mangubat, at kay Secretary Cora Castro at Miss Daisy De Jesus ng Naparing Dinalupihan, Bataan. Ayan. And sabi ni Mother, kamusta daw si Tita Iling and si Gigi Crisostomo? Ayan. Pinakakamusta yan ni Mother, Kuya Ariel. Tama ba si Kuya Ariel ang nandito? Si Kuya Noel pala ang nandito. Hindi pala si Kuya Ariel, si Kuya Noel. Ayan, pakisabi daw yung message kay Tita Iling at kay Gigi. Ayan. Galing yan kay Mother. Ayan. Wait lang, guys, ha. Ngayon naman, guys, may request ng ate ko. Tingnan natin.
Ate, itatry ko lang to ha. Hindi ko alam, baka nakalimutan ko na yung melody niya. Sorry. Try lang. Hanapin ko lang po yung nire-request ni Ate Adi. Ayan. Wait lang guys. Magta-type na lang ang lola niyo. Ate, kanino bang team song to? Ayan. Sa inyo ba ni Kuya Mike? Ayan. Try ko lang guys ha. Ayan. Kanta po ito ni Angela Bofill. Wait lang. Hanapin natin siya. Ayan, nandiyan dyan pa ba si ate? Okay, this is for you, Ate Adi. Try ko lang ha.
At age 50 plus, humihina ng ating katawan. Mag-doctor prescribed Centrum Silver Advance. May lycopene to help protect your heart. Potassium na tumutulong sa
Try natin. Ang haba po ng commercial, guys.
Darling, can't you see what losing you has done to me? I'm not the same girl I used to be. Have a change of heart.